Okay, at the beginning, they give us an example of what they're doing, but they want us to use this function and then find a through d. So a, f of x plus 3, right? F of x plus 3. Well, f of x is 3x minus 2, right? And then we add 3, so that's 3x plus 1, right? There we go for f of x plus 3. For b, I could do that here. They want f of 3x, right? So that means wherever I see an x, I'm going to put 3x, right? So that's 3 times 3x minus 2. That's 9x minus 2 for b. For c, they want 3 times f of x. So that's 3 times f of x is 3x minus 2. That's 9x minus 6 for c. And for d, they want f of x plus 3. That means wherever I see x, I'm going to put x plus 3. So that would be 3 times x, which is x plus 3, minus 2. That's 3x plus 9 minus 2. That's 3x plus 7. So f of x plus 3 is 3x plus 7.